Guys, tell us about here. This camera will works sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It keeps on going on and off. It has its off chances. It's not a phone no more, it's a camera. It's a camera, but it needs a new back door on it. So let this show begin. MJT's here. Hi guy.
Cheers guys.
Oh, he's having a little drink. Well, don't blame him. Oh, yep, it's working like, but I don't know for how long for.
I'm just watching the show.
Yeah, it's a 32 gig one in this one as well. It should be. It's not on the internal, it's on the. It has been up for a long while. So I don't know how much battery juice is on it. So if it goes off, it goes off. That's still coming over there, doesn't it?
Tell you what, this is the craziest weather I've seen.
Oh, pardon me.
The craziest.
Yeah, right. There you go.
Watch it, we'll get back to UK next morning.
For real though.
Oh, come on.
Got some clouds coming over. There's a cloud up there. One lightning. Tell you what, on my other phone, I've got half an hour of thunder and lightning. Wow, what a spectacular.
Someone's been there again.
Yeah, it was all flooded down, it was all flooded down there. It's like a river going down the road.
Nobody likes to show off. Again.
Well, no. Tried to keep it going, but he didn't.
Because I'm not risking getting my £160 phone wet. Paid a lot of money for that phone.
Mine only cost 100 and, was it 110, 111, or was it 109, something like that.
That phone's crap.
Hawaii, my phone is. His is a Hawaii Honor.
Mine's a 10 light.
Yeah, but it's still Hawaii.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It's made by Huawei.
Yeah, well. Well, I'm on a crappy phone now, LG. It's lost its, yeah, well, what's happened, it's lost its, oh, can I put it? It's, oh, what do you call it now? It's, so it's hasn't lost its memory, but it's lost its, port like a program. Yeah, it lost its program or something. Now, when you put a SIM card, it doesn't work.
Just take a hammer to it.
Well, eventually I am going to fling it. Because my other phone's perfect. The other phone. But I have got a slight problem with it. It's got a little yellow mark in the corner. So it's burning out or something. So I'll have to go and see what that is. I forget how long I had it for now. Was it a year?
Oh, that.
Yeah, I think the guarantees ran out, so.
What you might have done is you might have had the brightness too high and the sun's hit the screen.
Yeah, probably. I'm still getting the lightning over here. I'm still pointing over there. I don't think the lens on it. I don't think I've. Oof. I don't think I've. What do I call this?
Or is it all blurry?
No, it's not blurry. It's all clear. I can't remember if I cleaned it or not. Well, I'll leave it as it is. This is the last one I'm doing on this one. See how much I get on it before the battery goes.
Yeah, save yourself the hassle, guys. Don't get an LG phone. Shit.
But it was easy before it came back.
That's why I give you it. That's why I give you it.
Yeah, I bet you did, bugger. I'll get you a back for it. Ah. I'll go. Cheers! Can't get that bloody San Miguel.
And you've just missed fork lightning over there.
Oh, that's alright. Ooh, got that one, I think. Getting quite a few bits over here. Lightning.
Nah, he's taking a photo.
There's no photo over here. Yeah, put it on there. Yeah, probably fall down and hit somebody on the nut. I've got that one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, don't you know?
As if you didn't get that joke.
What joke's that?
Well, you said it's lightning, and I went, nah, he's taking a photo.
I did.
Oh, never mind.
So you said you took the photo, I said, oh, I wish I... Doesn't matter. I'm not bothered.
It's slowly intake.
No, I'm not drunk. We had a couple of sweets in this can.
And that's all it takes.
That's what he says. No. Well, he's having a good innings here on the balcony. The better was at that in the dark.
Oh, yeah, I'll turn it off in a minute.
Alone in the dark. Ooh, that was a good one. Well, you've had a tripod.
And that's a good one too.
That was a nice, lovely thunder, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Whoa.
Yeah, exactly. That starts lingering, I'm gonna kick you one.
Get a whiff of that, it's a cracker.
Ooh, I got that one. I was telling MJT, you know, I said, oh, put that boat over there. You can't see it from it. There it is. I said, oh, put that boat over there. I said, what boat? I said, that one over there. And he looked, he goes, yeah, that's not a boat. When he looked at it properly, I said, oh, yeah. Not me.
It actually does look like a ferry or something. Oh, these are the funnel.
It's not a boat, it's a... What can you call this?
A block of flats.
Apartments.
Apartments, same thing.
Almost.
Alone in the dark.
Alone in the dark. Reminds me of a film. And also a PlayStation game.
Classic PlayStation, yes.
Oh, I'm getting...
I wish I brought that with me, guys, you know.
Getting some good fork lightning here.
Do you know, I wish I brought that with me, that classic PlayStation. Don't you?
Yeah. Oh, pardon me.
We could have had a choice of 150 games to play on.
Right.
115, sorry.
Yeah. Eat that out channel. Here's another one for me channel. Well, I don't know, I might give it to MJT, I don't know yet. Ooh! MJT, there's no need for that.
Couldn't keep it any longer.
Oh, here comes the wind. You know what that means? And it starts winding. When it starts being windy, it's going to rain.
Getting windy, it's going to rain.
It's just getting better now. It's getting better every night, this.
Well, it better not be a tornado, I'll be in there straight away.
If it's a tornado, I'll be downstairs underneath.
Crying his eyes out.
I won't be crying. saying, let me home, get me home. I want to go home.
I can't see anybody flying in this. I think they've grounded all the planes.
I think they stopped all the planes from flying, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Ooh, got that one. Ooh. You can stay a bit longer there. It's all over there, mate.
Yeah. If you're moving away with the wind.
Or shall I say, gone with the wind.
Well, yeah.
Oops. I think God's got upset stomach. What this is. There you are, it's rumbling. Ooh. Yeah.
See, he's gone mad.
Yeah.
He's gone mad with everybody.
Yeah, well, he's getting his own back on us all.
He's having a disco. He's having a disco. He's having a party. Because he's sick of all the boring people that come on holiday and they just want to sit in a bloody apartment and do now.
Hey. Been there, done that.
What a t-shirt. And he still does it.
And so, but I'm alright as it is. Mum some fun here and that. MJT and that. I know it's been a bit boring for him, but he's alright. He's getting there.
As soon as I get home, Xbox. High five.
The only one. I haven't got an Xbox, I got a PlayStation.
My own bed.
Wow. This camera goes silly.
Oh, I forgot the PS4 as well. That's my uncle's.
I want to say that. Wow. Double wow. And here comes the rain. Oh!
I was going to say, get back here, get so.
Have you heard this bloody rain?
This is nuts.
Oof.
It's been doing this for nearly 4 hours, guys. That's how crazy it is.
Well, I'll put it down there. I don't know if you can see it. Down there. Look at that road. The road. It's coming like a river now.
I was gonna say stick your phone outside, I might do some good.
No. Ooh. No, I'm doing that. The camera part's alright, it's just the phone itself. What's wrong with it? He asked me if he just wants to go back door, I think.
He wants to do everything.
Or like Mike MJT usually says, in the bin.
Tie it to a firework and let it off.
Might do that, yeah. Oh, what's that?
I didn't mean literally.
Oh. One bag.
No, Nimmy will do it now.
It suddenly flew in here, I don't know where it come from. Oh, it's gone overboard now. Don't know where it went though. It's far up, so it's gone. There it is there. You know where the entrance is. It's gone to there. Wow. It's smoke from over there. It's over here now. Oh, it's coming in now. I'm not stick my phone over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it goes down again. It's going down. I'm getting in a bit more.
Again, it's bloody wet here. I'm going to go in a minute. I can't be out here anymore. Bloody hell.
It's just literally shutting it down.
Yeah. All yous back at home in the UK, don't you switch, you had this.
Aye. And you got some idiots walking in it. Stupid. 3 times it rained now, hasn't it?
They're walking in it, they're probably having a bath.
Probably having a shower. Passes a shampoo, isn't he?
It's the only shower they get.
Yeah. 94% battery, gone down a bit.
Oh, give it 10 minutes, it'll be dead.
Moving away now, isn't it? Oh, got that one. I just don't expect, you know, I'm getting them buildings over there, but whether it'll show up or not, that's another story. Okay, dude. That was shot, yo.
Oh well.
MJT's having the done up one.
Be a knob.
Yeah. Oh dear. The outside window where all this is coming from the empty cans. Still lightning. Can't see any of it now. Yeah, it's moving away now, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's going. I think it's moving. Yeah, it's moving now. It's going. Come put some stuff on. I'm going to have a look, see if it's been wiggling. Whoa, it's coming down like a good one, like. Oh, I've got it all over my camera. Whoa. Look at that. Splashed all on my camera. Bear with me. There you go.
Oh god.
So about that, guys.
His phone needs an umbrella.
Now I went over there, see if it's still weaning it off of that gutter there. And it still is. Oh, pardon me. Hang on. Turn around. There you go. That's better.
Now,
Ooh-wah.
now Taylor's well.
Ooh.
If your battery's dying, I'll go downstairs to reception and ask them for a generator, because that's what I'll need.
Don't know you do. Another one there. Got a spare one there, look. A spare one in that prat there.
Looks like a lump of coal.
That's what it is. That's what it is, a lump of coal. You know that, it works on coal.
Probably would be you.
Oh, the lightning's bugging off. So, The thing is, when lightning goes, I can't see a thing. Apart from them buildings there. Well, yeah, it's going. I think it's starting to go. Moving on. That was him. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Still going. And look at that reservoir down there. Oh my god. Look at that. Whoosh. Ah. Ooh, get in there. Still going. I thought it was moving on. I think they're all dancing in the rain out there somewhere. Can you hear them shouting? Still here. Huh?
Still recording.
Yeah.
Good, yeah.
Doing good. Told you. Turn the interview door on the back. The phone itself is broke, but the camera still works.
Just.
Just unless MJG gets all of it.
Don't give me ideas.
Won't be out left of it.
No.
He's not getting it.
Belongs in the museum, like you do. I'm joking.
Ooh, we have all my friends playing war with you. They're not dinosaurs. We've got some young blood on there on my channel.
You can't take a bloody joke, what's the point?
Ooh.
It's alive.
Well, looks like it's moving this time. Oh, no it isn't. I'll see when it's moving like that, if it's moving away and then you get a flash. There you go. Ain't moving.
God.
Ain't moving away. Yes or no? I think it's over there that now.
He's definitely having a good disco tonight, him.
Oh, him upstairs.
Yeah.
Probably. Ooh. I remember, oh, long time ago. Oh, John will tell you this. Right? Down Benidorm. Probably your mum will tell you. Down Benidorm.
No, salute.
No, it was this one's Benidorm. Right? Anyhow, just got in. Whoa, flashed, boom, boom. All the lights went out, everywhere.
I'm sure that was
It didn't come back on the next day.
She told me that was salute.
No, the slow one, it came back on. like the lights went out, right? And then it all come back on after 1 o'clock in the morning. It all come back on. What?
No.
I think somebody's picked that bag up from outside.
Ooh, look, free bag.
Ooh, get in there. Huh?
They probably picked it up and went, ooh, look, free bag. Don't have to pay 5p.
5 cents. 5 cents for a bag. Ooh! I heard that myself. Yeah, I know.
Bloody hell, I think he's planning to kill us all.
Oh, don't start saying that. I don't want to be rowing a boat for 40 days and 40 nights.
You talking about Noah's Ark, we'll be in it soon.
With all the rats and that. Ooh, get in.
Well, if it's with all the rats, at least I'll get a pet.
A wild one.
No, I don't want a wild one.
I think that's it over there, I think.
Bloody hell. Losing valuable papers. Oh well, have one on me. I don't know if I payments we make on those, right?
I think it's not as good as what before, like, was it?
Mm-hmm.
I think I've got the big one.
Mm-hmm.
I told her to keep it going, keep it rolling. I didn't know his back was running out.
He's in show off mode, he's doing it on purpose.
No, I'm not.
Wow.
I'm not. Oh, it's still going. 90% battery.
Don't count your chickens, they'll be dead in about 15 minutes.
That's alright. Oh, good grief. The rain's coming in. Falling down and rain again. Falling down and rain again. Smoky Joe's at it again.
I'm not called Joe. My sister is.
You can call a bloke, Joe. Joe, sir. Joe. Ooh, got that one.
Yeah, I will fuck
Hmm? And down comes the rain again. There's no place to show you anymore. Like this. I think it's behind us.
This has been going on for like nearly 4 hours now. I'll just over.
Oh, I don't know. It's been going on for a bit now. Must admit, yes.
Starting to get bored.
Nah.
No, I am.
Oh, let's go outside and just still go in the rain dance.
Well, go on then.
No, I don't know about you now.
I'll vlog you.
Nah. I've had enough of doing that. The other time, come down with the call and don't want to go home with the call again. If I go home with the call, I'll kick you off. I pass it on to you. There goes the coppers down there, look. It's a cop car. Ooh. Cop car's gone down there.
It'd be funny if Big Peter was here, he'd be out the dog going, ooh, look at my photo taken.
Wrong, your video taken.
Ooh, look down there, pie.
Ooh, eggs. Ooh, soup. Ooh, porridge today.
Oh, what a crap job he was. He couldn't find his ass with both hands.
I'm trying to keep I'll have a little move around because I'm not going to stay with one spot all now. It's still getting it, like, but I think it's slowed down since, you know, earlier on, it got really going crazy. It was lightning all the time and thundering all the time, just rumbling all the time. Well, Christ, when's it going to stop?
Yeah.
And down it comes again.
Are you hoping Mum's not going to...
This time it's going down faster.
Are you hoping Mum's not going to plan going to Magaluf tomorrow? I
Yep.
ain't going in the boat.
She is going to Magaluf tomorrow.
Well, I just hope they've got the canoes ready.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
What the hell? What did she wanted to do? Swim there?
I think it's moved on. It's gone, just about. It's the odd flashes here now, here and there. Well, that's about an hour I've got now. Just rain, 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 rain. Right then. Right, so I'm going to leave it at that now. It looks like it's moving on. So I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to say, please subscribe and share a like. If you have any comments, leave down below at the bottom. We'll get back to you as soon as I can. And MJT, I can't see him now, he's there.
I'll see you later, guys.
Right. He's there. Right, see you later guys, bye.